Hi, I'm gonna be checking out the FOV on these cameras. So first is 100 I'm on right now. This just seems like a speedrunner course, not gonna lie. Okay, 95. Practically the same, but I got a better jawline. Like right here. It leads down to my belly button. Okay, 90. Next. Okay, 85. Bro, I swear these are not. Okay, 80. Bro, this just looks like a normal one. Bro, I didn't even notice this, but do y'all got this? Do you see this? No, look. Look, bro, you can. Bro, I swear. Bro, why did I buy this? This is I'm sorry, it's for free. 75. This just looks normal. Bro, I swear all these look normal, except for my mini bow tie. Okay, 65. I haven't went in a shower in a month. Okay, 60. Bro, what the hell, bro? These are all the same. I swear to God, it's not changing. Okay, 55. Practically the same. 50. This is normal. This is so normal that when I look at the camera, it says normal. Check out about that. Oh. No, guys. Bro. Okay, sorry about that. 45. This is zoomed in too much. You can literally see nothing inside my nostrils. 40. I'm confused. 35. I see a gat in the corner. Okay, 30. Oh my god, I have to step back. Okay. 25. Bro, I swear to God, this might need to go a bit more higher. Do you see how much zoomed in this is? I think this is the last one yet. 20 is the last one, bro. Oh my god, look at first person. And then I'm gonna compare it to 100. Oh my god, bro. Okay, that's gonna be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.